crazy. Guys, I'm scared to touch it.
We're almost collateral damage in this car crash. Welcome back to my channel.
It's Baby Duke! Baby, I love you! I love you. Hello. Good morning. So we're in Mykonos this morning and today we are doing a shoot. So I'm going to bring you along with us. We've got a few of the girls here. Alright guys, introduce yourself. This is Sasha.
You're welcome. My name is
Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brooklyn. Nice to meet you. Hey, I'm Ariane. Booyah!
And who's this?
And I'm Kaylee.
We have just gone to the bakery and spent way too much time and money though. And everything was good. We're feeling so much more happy now. And we're gonna head to the beach. Brooklyn
I'm so content.
I don't think I've ever seen you so happy.
No, ever.
Can I have a piece of the spinach?
Oh my gosh.
If there's any.
Is there any left?
Should I fucking
It's a piece.
I think she ate it all.
Like little monsters, you know? Grandmas, you put the food and it's just like...
So we are just at one of the beautiful villas and we're just doing a bit of a tour now. Under there you can see that's a window.
So someone can watch
So underneath, so someone can watch your legs.
And we'll run.
Skirt, 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 skirt.
Do a little jump.
Dude, if you broke your
foot, I would die.
I really want her to be my dentist, yo.
I would die. That was really embarrassing. I'm sorry,
No.
my parents paid so many thousands of dollars for like martial art lessons and I just pulled that out.
Hey guys, we're just gonna go on a helicopter.
And it's always been my dream. I'm way too excited about this. Why are you going?
I don't want to go.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay, fine. Far out, guys.
Yes!
If I die, it's on me.
It's on me.
Oh my gosh, I'm just joking.
Careful, dude. It's gonna be like. Say something to the camera. What y'all gonna do today?
We're going on a helicopter ride. She's gonna come. Back and we survived, we're alive. It's all good in the hood.
So he nearly landed on a boat at one point, and to be honest, that was probably the most scared that I've been.
Yeah, it was.
He like swooped down and we put that in the vlog. I think
Yeah, you did.
No, they don't know who it is.
yeah, there's no one's name. Let's call him Captain X.
Captain X. I like that. That's. Look at giving you little nicknames. I love that. It's a vibe.
So yeah, Captain X nearly landed on a boat. That was scary. He did a few swoops.
And we're alive.
We made it.
We
and
survived.
now we're gonna have a
telltale.
celebratory dinner.
And some wimes. Some wimes.
Wimes. She's already had one wime. She's done.
I love how you're like, she's already had one, she's done.
she's done.
This vlog is better below her.
That's crazy. Fun? We nearly just got run over, actually. See that car? We were standing right there. We were just trying to walk across the road and someone didn't give way. And that was really scary. And we were almost collateral damage in this car crash. Honestly, the closest we could have to a car accident in terms of us getting run over. We packed all of our stuff. You need to see how much this is. This is actually... It's crazy. It actually doesn't even look like that much like on camera. That is ridiculous. And that's for 5 people. So we are just heading to our next villa today. This is going to be our 3rd villa. Hopefully going to be a little bit closer to town. This one was probably about 15 minutes away from the airport. And then this one's probably a little bit more coastal. It's going to be here for the next 4 days. And this view is absolutely unreal. Alright, let's do a tour before we mess it up. Let's actually do it. In like 10 seconds. How's my neck brace? I just wanted to show you the view that I woke up to this morning. I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to get back to work and go back to the real world after waking up to this. We are about to head for one of the most beautiful hotels. So we have a day pass there and we're going to head to dinner at one of the beach bars called Alamangru. Yeah, I think so. Don't quote me on that. Yeah. So that's our day. Yeah. Starting at 2 o'clock. Yep. Go us. Alright, let's do it. Live and large. Bye guys. Bye. So just hanging out on the pool today. So beautiful. The girls are getting a shot here. Had a last minute glitch with accommodation. The place where we were staying, they actually overbooked it, so now we have had to find, sorry I'm really puffed, we've had to find somewhere last minute to stay. So we found somewhere, but it's on the other side of the island. So while we're here, we're going back to the villa that's next door to us, where the Victoria's Secret models just shop. Come on. It's the unfit life. So things have actually worked out. Even though we got messed around with accommodation, this place is probably even more gorgeous. It's right on the water, there's big pools, and it's close to a bunch of restaurants, so it is perfect. Just gonna get some food. So we made it to Little Venice and we are here getting our euros. We got us. This is my 4th euro. Yeah. Oh my god. It was so good. Oh yes, yes. Yours is here. Thank you.
You have to be the queen of Australia.
Thanks so much. I mean, I'll try to be. She is.
She's so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. The windmills. Oh yeah, where are they? To the left. People literally jet skiing into the sunset. Goodbye Mykonos, thank you for having us. It has been such an amazing last week and a half and we are heading home bright and early in the morning. I'm going to leave here at like 5 AM, so I'm just going to take in and enjoy the rest of the night. So thank you for coming with me.